Welcome one and all present here. My name is Ashutosh Raut, BEIT, and the project is Health Prediction System using Machine Learning. So there are three modes of the project: Patient mode, Doctor's mode and Admin mode. So one by one we'll go through each and every mode. So let us go through the home page first. Services, about, testimonials, contacts. So this is the home page, and this is the team of all the doctors who have helped us in making the data set and preparing the questionnaire session for the patients. And the entire project is done under the guidance of Professor Vaishali Inkling. So let us go through the patient mode. This is the patient mode, and the patient can enter the symptoms according to the condition, like breathlessness, headache, chest pain, high fever. So these are certain symptoms which generally people feel, and it is not necessary to fill all the symptoms. At any point the patient feels that this does not match, then the patient can easily click on none option. So, but since it is mandatory to fill all the options for time being because of the demo, so quickly we can fill all the values. Okay, so now we can upload the symptoms by clicking on upload symptom option. By doing this, we have created a text file at the back end, and these are the symptoms which have been uploaded. So by clicking on narrow down diseases, what it will do, it will take all the symptoms and diseases from the data set and compare it with the symptoms, and then it will narrow down to one or two disease. So okay, so it has narrowed down to a disease called pneumonia. So we have two options now, either to start with the diagnosis process or to view the decision tree gallery. So let us go with the flow and start with the diagnosis. Okay, this is the diagnosing page. Let us begin. Click to diagnose. What is the intensity of fever? We have three options. You can choose any of those and enter as per the percentages. For example, if the breathlessness is high, according to your, if it is 75%, click and submit. Chest pain. What is the intensity of chills? What is the intensity of cough? So mostly I am filling it in moderate and high. You can fill it as per your condition. It is not necessary to answer each and every question. There is an option called skip question. By skipping it, you can go to the next question. And do not forget to submit the response after each and every question. So after completing with the questionnaire, you will receive a message of successful submission of all the answers. So let us skip the question. Now you receive your responses have been successfully submitted. Click on OK and go with the prediction process. Now by clicking on the prediction button, you will be directed to a prediction page. There are 5 options of prediction and 1 option to view the prediction codes. This is for the B point of view, but still we can view it. So now we have been directed to the Python programming language codes where the entire prediction code is written. See, these are the input which we have just given, and see the value 0 is for the question which we have skipped, and these are certain machine learning algorithms which we are using. After evaluation, they are returning 0 and 1. 0 for not having the disease and 1 for the presence of the disease. Let's go back to the prediction page. Okay, so we have 5 options of prediction. For commercial purpose, we can jot it down to 1 option. For B project purpose, we can split it into 5 options for showing the comparison between each and every algorithm. So let us click on prediction. Okay, so it has predicted each and there are 6 algorithms which we are using. 2 of them are predicting 0, that means there is no presence of disease, and 4 of these algorithms are predicting 1, that is, there might be a possibility of the disease. And as per the calculation, 66.6% chances of pneumonia is there. So there is option of clicking and consulting it to the doctor. So this button will direct us to the doctor's mode. Okay, so this is the doctor's mode, where each and every doctor present in Pune, India, the list of each and every doctor is given. That page has to be added, but this page shows the operations which can be performed by the doctor over the databases of disease and symptoms. So these are the diseases which we are dealing with, and these are the operations which the doctor can perform.
So this was the decision tree which we had left. So decision tree is basically showing how the tree will appear, how the structure of the disease will appear inside a doctor's head, and this similar approach has been taken up in this machine. So for example, this is a disease, let's say malaria. So each and every node points out to represents a symptom, and each and every symptom has some intensity. For example, if the person is having recurrent fever less than 20%, the next question will be of chills. If it is less than 40%, the next question will be for sweating and headache. Similarly, in the same way the doctor asks a patient, similar approach has been taken up, and as per the intensities given by the patient, the machine learning algorithm will predict. So let us go back to the patient mode. We are done with.
So this was the entire project in short, and this project has immense commercial value, and we are also planning to include a payment mode and video conferencing mode for the doctors, and by putting the scheduling appointment facility. So the entire project will change the way how hospital maintain the database system of the patients, and basically this project aims to digitize and to automate the process of diagnosing. Thank you for watching this video.